Hi, this is Tigran from Las Vegas office, and today I want to show you how to create your own templates for Outlook. If you have an email that you use a lot, weekly, daily, and we can create a template to use it over and over again. Let's say if we have something like a daily log, not to bring everything every day, we just go to File, Save it as. We choose here as Outlook template format and save it. Next time I need to send a daily log, I'll go to New Item, More Items, choose From, User Template in File System. Open it and you're ready to go. It saves a couple of seconds every time you have to send an email that you use a lot. Thanks for watching.